Hello, today we will sew an insulated snowsuit. For sewing we need a raincoat fabric, better membrane, insulation with a density of 100 or 60 grams per square meter, zippers for pockets, pants flaps and a central zipper, as well as a little Velcro and an elastic band 1 inch wide. Link to the pattern in the description. For each child's height, there are several options for chest girth. This will help to sew the snowsuit exactly to the figure, because a child does not have to be standard.
Cut out of printed fabric. 2 parts each, top front, side front, middle front, as well as 2 pocket bags and TW front planks. One piece of the back with a fold. 2 front and 2 sides of the hood. 1 middle part of the hood. 2 sleeves and 2 cuffs. Immediately transfer all marks from the pattern to the fabric. Also from fabric with a print you need to cut out 1 collar part, 2 parts of a windproof strap, 2 front pieces of pants. Cut out 2 front lower parts of the pants from a plain dense fabric. Cut out 4 parts Velcro holders from the same fabric, 2 details pants flaps, 2 details back pants, and 2 lower parts of the pants. We start sewing. Finish the ends of the zippers for pockets with pieces of fabric. The zipper should cover the fabric by about 2 centimeters, and the same length of the fabric should remain free. Sew blanks on a sewing machine. Sew zippers to the side front parts. Use the zipper foot. In the same way, sew the second part of the zipper to the middle front parts. Sew on front planks and top stitch them. pin and stitch pocket tag to the received part of the front. Sew on top front detail. To sew piping, you need to use the zipper foot. Stitch the top and bottom of the front of the pants. Prepare Velcro holder. Prepare 2 pieces of Velcro of 5 cm or 2 inches and sew on. You need to sew the soft part of Velcro onto the holder, and put the hard part aside for now. Fold pants flap with purl functions inward, sew on the sides, bottom top stitch. Lay out the details of the front, back, pants, sleeves and details of the hood over an insulation with a density of 100 grams per square meter. Put only one front part of the hood on the insulation. Put the lower parts of the pants on the insulation up to the fold line with a small allowance. Cut all the details from the insulation with an allowance of 1 cm and connect the fabric with the insulation on a sewing machine. The details of the bottom of the pants, first sew to the insulation along the fold line, and then along the perimeter. The rest are just sewn around the perimeter. Cut off excess insulation. Sew the collar to the front details, but not completely. Connect both parts of the windproof plank with insulation with a density of 60 grams. If not, can be duplicated with fleece. I will make one button fastener in Velcro, but you can make only buttons or only Velcro. do this, on the inside of the plank, lay out the soft parts of the Velcro of the desired length where we want to attach them. Do not forget to retreat from the edge by the width of the seam allowance. Before sewing on, I attach the crystal to the fabric with glue. Glue Dragon is also suitable for these purposes. You can buy this glue at a hardware store. Before using such glue, try it on an unnecessary piece of fabric. The glue should be transparent, have a thick consistency and not have a strong unpleasant odor. When the glue is dry, Velcro can be sewn on. Sew together the halves of the plank at the extreme and top seams. Turn to the front side and top stitch. Sew the plank to the front. Sew in half of a zipper, step back from the edge of the collar by the width of the seam allowance.
Fasten the second half of the zipper, and mark the front horizontal seam and neckline. Align the marks with the seams and sew on the zipper with the special zipper foot. Fix hard parts Velcro with glue. And when the glue dries, sew them on. Stitching shoulder seams. Sew in a collar. Connect the front of the pant. Cut out a drawstring and sew to the back. Insert an elastic band. The length of the elastic depends on its quality. Do not tighten it too much. It is only needed to emphasize the natural line of the back. Fix the elastic with 2 vertical stitches and stitch. Sew pants to the front.